the smallest yet the best lavalier microphone in the market is in my hands right now. This is the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier mic, and I will give you 3 things why this is the best choice for all content creators who are looking for a great microphone. First, it's small and compact. Kasing laki lang siya ng piso natin at may magnet siya para ilagay nyo siya sa inyong mga damit. You can pin it, clip it, or wear it via the lanyard. And actually, pwede kahit saan basta kayang dumikit ng ating microphone tulad dito. O diba? Versatile. Second, it's very easy to set up. May option ka for a USB-C or lightning receiver at meron din siya para sa inyong DSLR cameras o maski action camera, pwede dito. And you can record your audio for a very long time dahil kaya niya up to 10 hours with a single charge at recharging the microphone with its included case here. And finally, its superb sound quality. Its advanced audio algorithms and its noise cancellation feature, with just a click of a button, it will block noise and will only focus on your voice like this. So ito yung mic test mula sa built-in microphone ng phone ko ngayon. Meron din nakabukas sa electric fan dito, malapit sa phone ko na palaging napipick up pag lagi ako nagre-record. Lalayo lang ako sa phone ko ngayon para ma-check kung naririnig pa rin po ba ako ngayon sa ating video. Ngayon naman nakakonect sa ating phone yung receiver ng Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. Ngayon, this is the normal mode niya at kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung ating microphone merong yellow button dito sa gilid. At pag press natin dito ngayon, it will activate yung noise cancellation feature niya to eliminate background noise. At kahit lalayo tayo ngayon sa ating phone, mapipick up pa rin niya yung boses ko ng klarong-klaro. Kaya no doubt that the Hollyland Lark M2 is the best wireless microphone right now and is content creator approved like me. It's on sale now with discounted prices kaya napakasulit itong bilhin for your content journey. At gusto nyo magkaroon ng level up audio sa content ninyo, click the product link in this video now because